Good morning, happy Saturday. We are on our way to visit the property and do some before videos and get a quote from a builder for the refurb. Ash is also going to be doing some measurements with his laser.
My little laser pointer.
Your laser pointer. And yeah, I thought we'd take you with us.
Then I'll probably have a little nap in there.
No, you won't.
Have a snack. I'll probably sit down at the table like...
You won't. Also, the beds in there are quite something. I wouldn't actually want to fall asleep in those beds, but you'll soon see why. I might not talk during the before tour because the estate agent's going to be there and he doesn't know that I do YouTube. I think I'm a bit nervous.
Right.
Weirdly, I've just got some nerves in me. Don't know.
So yeah, as I say, I'm just around the keys today, so just
Okay.
do what you got to do.
It's the entranceway. That's handy.
So what do you want to do with it? Yeah.
Go in, got the this bit here. So that could be a room. This could be a bedroom. Look at all this old school furniture. And then you come through back into the hallway. The stairs are there. Got a downstairs WC, which could be another bathroom really. Could knock it that way. Then into the kitchen. And this is the dining room. And then keep going downstairs. This little bit here. Extra fridge here. Maybe that could be in the kitchen. Got another downstairs bedroom. So this bedroom was obviously built when the couple couldn't go up the stairs anymore. So this is quite a big space. So you've got the bed through there, that curtain, all of this bit. Gosh, look at this, is like really cool stuff. I don't know if they're going to be leaving any of this. Like, these wardrobes, so they've all been cleared. I'm going to go and talk to the current owners upstairs about what the deal is with all the furniture, because obviously this is quite a lot of stuff to remove, and I don't know what they want to do. I'm guessing most places would, like, they'd have to clear it before we get the keys, but I'm not sure. I need to check. Big garden. Big garden. And then down there's a double garage, but you've got all this. Little shed. Downstairs bathroom. This is pretty big. Big jacuzzi here. Old school. And the shower cubicle here. So the actual floor space in here is pretty big. Like the whole thing. It's pretty big. I'm not too keen on these tiles. What's that? Oh, that's a blind. That's probably, what is that bit? I can't remember. Is that the kitchen? Yeah, that's that. Oh, these are the builders that are giving us the quote. Up the stairs now. And be honest, I bet these wardrobes and these cabinets are actually worth quite a bit. They're quite retro. Oh no, I think the owners are actually in there. Hi, I'm Leah.
Hello.
Hiya. Nice to meet you. So I was just doing a little video for the and in that room there, that's the office, which will be a single bedroom. And I just had a little chat. The owners are in there, so I'm not going to go and film inside, but it's a lot smaller than the other rooms. Another bedroom? I think this one's the bigger one actually. Yeah, this is quite big. One thing I do want is to like get the walls really smooth. These are all empty. Retro. That is so retro. I might get an Instagram picture here. One sec. Upstairs bathroom. So again, you got the avocado looking suite. A lot of the properties I've been looking at are kind of like this vibe. Like, I want to shoot a film in here or something before we rip the place out. I just think it's so cool. I know it's just not like what any rental wants. Like, they don't want to see this colour bathroom, but I love it. Like, deep down I'm like, this is so cool. So this is the office now that they've gone. So this is just about big enough for a one bed, single. I think they were in here doing some shredding of documents. And then you've got the flat roof here, which maybe cover it with something nicer. And you can see the garden. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole house. It's quite big. Very happy with it. So now, yeah, that's it. There's quite a lot going on there. The owners were inside, so I went up and had a little chat with them, and we were chatting about the furniture situation and their current family situation that might mean that there's a bit more of a delay than until we get the keys, because the sale has to go through probate now. Actually, we're downstairs with the builders talking about plans.
Yep.
And cost and measurements and stuff. And
I wasn't talking about costs.
you weren't talking about cost? No. They didn't say anything about cost?
Well, no, because I said to them, I'm not going to give you my budget, you come back with costs, otherwise I'm going to give you my budget and you'll turn around and be like, oh, magic, it matches.
Yeah, exactly. That is so true. And they were talking about like loft conversions and everything, and I was thinking we don't have the budget to do the loft as well. Like, we just don't. But then when they were talking about the flat roof, they were saying they could put skylights in and cool windows, and I think some people might think that we just have an unlimited budget, but we don't. Yeah. So we'll see. Now we're on our way, following the builders, to go and see one of their finished projects, check out the finish on that, the room sizes, what it looks like, and yeah, that's pretty much today. Atch is off for a massage later.
Yeah.
Sports massage.
Sort my back out, because you might have seen I was hobbling around the other day.
If you watched my Valentine's Day vlog on my personal channel, you'll see that Atch has been quite injured. So
I'm not hobbling around anymore, but I just need that. I need that sports massage.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Yeah.
Thing is, you think it's just like a little nice,
gentle,
like pleasurable massage, but she actually gets like a meat tenderizer and smashes the hell out of me. Imagine putting a steak down.
Yeah.
on a like a, what do you call it? A tray.
A chopping board.
A chopping board, right?
Jesus.
And she just gets the meat tenderizer and she just goes and just absolutely smashes me to bits.
That's fantastic.
And obviously I just do what I do normally and don't make a sound, but I'm dying inside.
You don't make a sound. When my osteo / physio, she's both, goes at the muscles around my knee that are, it's so tight, I am in agony and I'm crying on the table, and she's like, some people like pain, Leah, and I'm like, I don't. She's like, you'd be surprised how many people really like the pain, and I'm like, this is agonising.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't like pain. Anyway, off to see the builders finish project, and then probably just keep going, getting some quotes, shop around, see what other people are saying, because you don't want to just go with the first person that gives you a quote. You want to shop around, this is what we've been told, and see what others are saying. As people that have never done a house renovation, there is the fear that, well, I'm not saying that about these guys, but some builders might pull the wool over your eyes and just say what they want to say to get more money out of you. And that's something that they can tell how experienced you are from just talking to us. We've never done this before. So that's why we're gonna shop about. Is that fair?
I agree.
I agree. It's Monday, we're back at home now. And I forgot to finish the vlog when we were in the car visiting the HMO that the builders had done. I didn't want to include it just in case we don't end up going ahead with those builders.
Exactly.
Anything else to add?
No, you said all the information that's needed.
No, I'm just saying that's the latest, and now we're back in Chichester. Didn't want to include the builder stuff.
Yeah, to be fair, it does make sense. You're a very thoughtful person.
Yeah, thank you. So this week, what's on our to-do list for the house? I'm taking this channel really seriously, and you're just a clown.
I'm a monkey.
You're not.
We really need to start getting some quotes for the build. That's what I'm really worried about.
Yeah, as in the builders that we met with need to email us their quote, because otherwise we're like, don't know what this is going to cost.
We've got a budget of about 10 quid.
The options are to either change what's already there, or the builders were saying just knock everything through and start from scratch. So that's what I was saying.
Yeah, all that for a tenner. Do you remember that thing with that TV show with, what's her name? Melinda Messenger?
No. Where
she goes round and she asks all charities, and she asks building places for free stuff because it's for this TV show. So she's like, there's this family in need, and we're trying to renovate their house for free. It's a good cause. And she goes round doing all these refurbs for free.
That's so cool.
Companies want to get on TV, and also they want to do their bit.
Yeah.
We should do that.
I used to watch Extreme Makeover Home Edition, but that's an American show, and it had a really cheesy presenter called Ty, and he'd just like they'd go in, a whole team would refurb families that really needed a new lift, like a facelift for their home, and it was really emotional. I'd cry in every episode.
Yeah.
But I didn't watch that one. Was yours American? British?
No, it was British.
But anyway, so that's the latest with the house. Really hope you liked watching the before videos. There's clearly quite a lot to do. Leave any suggestions you may have in the comments. And that's it really.
Like, subscribe.
Subscribe. I've got a pie cooking in the oven now, so we're probably going to eat that and then go to the gym. Pie and gym.
Sounds about right.
Sounds about right. I'll show you the pie and then we'll go. Okay, you get that out, Atch.
This is what I've been waiting for all day.
Yeah, that's it. Nice clean house and a pie ready for my non-husband.
See that little dig every time. She's just desperate for me to propose.
No, I'm not
She's
desperate.
like my non-husband, yeah.
My non-husband. See? How beautiful does that look?
It looks amazing. Do you know what?
It's veggie.
I just want to, for camera,
Yeah.
I just want to make this very clear, because again, you always say to me, you never say what's on your mind. You're always thinking internally. Yeah. That's exactly how you say it as well. You go, you're always thinking internally, like a little hobbit. I just want to say, I'm very, very grateful to be able to come home and have food cooked. So thank you.
You're welcome. You made up for it with that hobbit impression anyway.
Yeah.
Because that was offensive. Thank you guys. We're going to enjoy our dinner now. Lots of love. Bye. Obviously the options are...
Do you remember that? Do you remember?
Let me finish. You're really bad at interrupting.
I'm not. You are.
No, it's because you're not. Okay, cut that. We always have on-screen arguments.
So rich. Anyway, carry on.
Can't deal.